All right, we were talking to Audrey a little bit about the weather. It might have been a little rainy last night, Derry, but actually it was a pretty bright spot on women who make a difference last night right here in Manhattan. Take a look at the Town and Country and Longines Annual Awards. 3 outstanding women, Dr. Pam Cantor, Liz Farrow, and Sarah Kaba-Jones, were honored for their outstanding work helping children all around the world. I was very happy to host that event, joined by tennis great, there she is, Steffi Graf. You know, she's married to Andre Agassi, of course, and she heads up her own Children for Tomorrow Foundation. Wonderful person. This, by the way, was the 4th annual awards program saluting great charity work sponsored by Town and Country and Longines. Talk about helping abused children, children who are victims of war, educational programs. Wonderful work.
And we always like to talk
you know
about
how
nice
important
things.
that is
Very important,
as a mom.
for sure. That was
Right.
good of you to do.
You bet.
And good of them to do it.
Yes.